gonna fuck that bitch. I'm gonna fuck with you. I'm gonna tell it, put up. We don't fuck that nigga.
I need to sit down.
I got my nigga hurt him.
G herbo?
Hey, whole lot of ranks. Young nigga shit, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of gang, I'm saying a whole lot of gang shit. You know, whores. We did not fuck with y'all, no. Y'all already, no. Whore, bitch.
Y'all supposed to be at work, man. They supposed to be at work. Look at they doing. They supposed to be at work. They supposed to be at work. They recording us.
I'm too raw for MP3, so bring that tape back. The flows to make them duct tape tapes, so they take that. If every rhyme I spit was a bullet within a few blocks, I probably have enough ammunition to make it 2 stops. Dead in his tracks, go home. Get his wife's 2 times. Some bitch kids a blow up and download me to the jukebox. I'm eating like a bum rush. With words with enough solar power to pick the sunlight. Strap that, open down, shut up. I'm done up. Just to get trashed after like 1 cup. Fun stuff. Why we get crazy and they get drugged up? They say you only get 1 shot, so pick that gun up. But be clear about what you.
Who gon' take some? Who gon' take some? Who gon' take some? Who gon' take some? My ass up, let it face up. Let him push you what you lay for. He don't do it, you don't do it. You influence, let it flow. Flip flop, run up, hip hop it. Suck my dick in my flip flop.
Yeah, I do that around.
You a whore, gang, you a whore, bitch. Hit it down. Only legendary nigga right now.
All right, coming out.
Shout out, y'all doing one up for John out there.
And I want all your mamas.
Whore. Bitch. Whore.
Yeah, man. Ain't shit.
Hard to leave, bitch. You got new ice, got the new. You got some red there, some rubies. You know this is right here now. You know, but you know, I know. I mean, you ain't know why I pray. I salute you.